Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be preparing a vegan okra stew along with wild rice. So I'm cooking the wild rice now because it takes about 45 minutes to get done. A little extra virgin olive oil and Creole seasoning. Put that to the back, let that cook. In another large pan, I'm going to take a little extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm going to take my veggies that I have here, which is green bell pepper, red bell pepper, orange and yellow bell pepper, along with some red onion. Wait till my oil get hot and I'm going to drop that right into the pan. Go ahead and get all of that out of there. Well, I love those colors. Very festive. I'm going to add a little pink Himalayan salt. This always helps the veggies saute quicker. Give it a little stir, a little mix. In a blender, I'm going to take about 4 to 6 pieces of okra that I've chopped up along with some water, and I'm going to blend it. This is to make my soup slimier. If you don't care to make your soup slimier, go ahead and skip this step. These are the seasonings that I'll be using repetitively throughout the video. We have the Himalayan salt, paprika, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, along with ground white pepper. Now that my veggies have sauteed, I'm going to add in some minced garlic. And then I'm going to go ahead and start layering my flavor. So I have onion powder I'm starting off with. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some garlic powder. Go ahead and add in that Creole seasoning. Paprika, black pepper, mix. I'm adding in my chopped okra. Don't worry about the pieces that are stuck together. It'll all break apart once it comes to a boil. And here I layered in those same seasonings. I'm going to mix it around a little bit. I'm going to let y'all listen to the tunes in the kitchen, the energy, because the main ingredient is love and why my food comes out so good. And now I'm adding in some tomato paste. Small can, that is. If you're a big fan of tomato paste, add in a large one. Now, if you completely take the tomato paste out of this recipe, I will say it'll alter it. Won't ruin it, but it'll alter it because it's one of the, main ingredients creating the base of the soup. And I'm going to go ahead and just mix that around, incorporate everything together. Now I'm adding in my vegetable stock. I'm going to add in about 3/4 of that container. Give it a little mix, a little stir there. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in that slimy okra mixture we put to the side. And I'm going to give that a good stir to incorporate that. And I'm going to put my lid on and allow it to boil. My wild rice is ready to go. And after about 15 minutes, I came back. My stew had come to a boil. So now we're going to give it a good mix and see what's hiding in there. Hello. Goodness. I'm going to give a little zoom on it so you guys can see some of that good stuff. Yes, garlic, peppers, onions, okra. Oh, we wish there was smell cam. Then I covered it for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. Came back, had this deep, red color. I knew I was ready for the co-star. One co-star is okra, but there's something else that brings this dish alive. And that is the one and only, the spicy Italian vegan sausage. I went ahead and sliced that it was about 3 sausage links up. We're going to add that in, give it a mix. Once you add your sausage in, your stew is only literally minutes away from being done. Within 7 minutes, this soup is ready to go. Of course, I allowed it to sit for an additional 10 minutes. I just wanted it to be incorporated more. But you can absolutely begin plating within 7 minutes. Oh, this soup was amazing. If you guys try this recipe, please tag me in it so I can repost it. Tell me what you think about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow me on my social media. Everything's at everything. You can find me at EverythingYomi. Peace, guys.